Vocabulary for IELTS. Lesson 2. Enchant. To fill someone with great delight, wonder, or fascination, to captivate, or bewitch with magic or charm. Example. The beautiful music enchanted the audience and transported them to another world. Finite. Having limits or bounds, limited in size, extent, or duration. Example. Our resources are finite, so we must use them wisely. Foster. To encourage or promote the development or growth of something, to nurture or cultivate. Example. The program aims to foster a sense of community among its members. Grim. Stern, forbidding, or uninviting in appearance or nature, dismal, gloomy, or depressing, harsh or severe. Example. The weather forecast predicted grim conditions for the weekend. Habitual. Done or occurring regularly or repeatedly, customary, usual, or habitual. Example. Her habitual morning routine includes jogging in the park. Immerse. To involve deeply or completely in an activity or experience, to submerge or dip into a liquid. Example. She immersed herself in her studies, spending countless hours in the library. Imply. To indicate or suggest something indirectly, or without explicitly stating it, to hint or insinuate. Example. His silence seemed to imply that he disagreed with the decision. Incite. To encourage or stir up violent, unlawful, or aggressive behavior, to provoke or urge someone to do something undesirable or harmful. Example. The protesters tried to incite the crowd to violence. Jovial. Cheerful, friendly, and good-humored. Example. Despite the rainy weather, they remained jovial throughout the picnic. Knack. A skill, talent, or aptitude for doing something well, a clever way of doing something. Example. She has a knack for solving complex problems. Longevity. Long existence or service, long life, or long duration. Example. Regular exercise and a healthy diet are believed to promote longevity. Marvel. Be filled with wonder or astonishment, to be amazed or surprised by something. Example. She marveled at the intricate details of the ancient architecture. Thank you for watching Miss English.